10 websites where you can make over $100 a day anywhere in the world. In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can make money selling handmade goods, doing basic tasks, shooting videos, writing, reading, skill tasks, online sales, selling websites, taking photos, and doing online advertising. All of these sites you can make $100 a day. Stay tuned. I'm going to go over all of this right here on my computer, showing you how you can get started. People, there's so much money on the internet. If you aren't taking advantage of all the opportunities, you're missing out. I'm going to be going over 10 different websites where you can be making $100 a day anywhere in the world and get started doing a lot of basic stuff. So the first thing I'm going to go over is handmade goods. You can make money on handmade goods actually with Amazon. And if you come over here to my computer, you'll see it's actually called Amazon Handmade. This is a new offering from Amazon that allows you to basically do handcrafted goods and sell them on Amazon. And Amazon will help push your products for you and sell them, and you just apply to sell right here, and that's how you get started. So whatever it is you're making, whether it's just something your grandmother used to make or knitted sweaters, you can find lots of products to make. Here's somebody that's making some unique plant holders using wood. There's a lot of great ideas, and you can be an artisan online, make your own products, and sell them on Amazon. How awesome is that? The next real basic thing you can do to make money online is basic tasks. Just doing work on a site called Fiverr.com. That's Fiverr with 2 R's. Now, if you check over here online, you'll see there's a lot of jobs you can do on Fiverr, such as logo design and digital marketing related activities, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and technology, business and lifestyle stuff. Anything you want, data entry, virtual assistant. There's people looking for tasks in all these different categories. And if you can look through this site and see if there's any sort of task that you can post up and offer to do to people. You can make $100 a day very easily. There are many people buying and selling products on Fiverr all the time, and you can get started pretty quickly. The next way to make $100 a day is YouTube videos. So YouTube is actually a great site. I'm not going to go too much into it. You're on YouTube right now. But creators like me who get subscribers, you can either do videos that teach people how to do something specific, or you could just vlog about your life and your relationships and the funny things that happen to you along the way. And you can make money from YouTube ads, Google ads technically, but basically you can make money from the ad revenue, and it's not very hard to make $100 a day. You'll need a lot of subscribers, but you can get started just by using your camera phone and vlogging for a while, and it's not unrealistic to make $100 a day. Lots of YouTubers are making quite a bit of money. The top YouTubers are making millions upon millions of dollars per year, and it's definitely a good thing to aspire to. Now, the next section is writing. So, how awesome is that? Just by typing on your computer, you can make a lot of money. Well, writing, the way you would make money there is actually also Amazon, okay? So Amazon offers a service called Kindle Direct Publishing, and you can self-publish ebooks on Amazon's marketplace, and people can buy them from you. It's very easy to write an ebook. All you need is a computer, and you can start producing your own ebooks on topics that, maybe it could be fictional stories, or they could be, non-fiction books that help teach people how to do something. Some of my close friends have made a lot of money and have created their entire incomes off of publishing books on Amazon Kindle, and it's a great way to get started if you're looking to make money online. What's easier than just writing? Some of you might not like writing, but the point being, it's easy and it's free to get started. You can make money reading. Is that serious? Okay, I'm gonna put a caveat to this one. You can make money reading out loud. Still confused? Yeah, I didn't even believe this at first, but there is a website that you can go to where you can actually make money simply by reading books. Okay, What you're doing is you're actually working for a company called ACX, and what they need is they need book narrators to help them put read books on Audible. So all those audio books you listen to, there is a market for people who can read well. And you can take advantage of this by basically, you have to audition. So they show you how it works here, but basically create a profile. You have to upload samples of yourself, and then you will audition to be the narrator for a book, which is pretty exciting. I mean, I didn't even know this was an option to just read and make money. The internet's fascinating, and this is an awesome way to do things. And then you just wait for the offers to come in and you accept them and you read books, get paid. Can't be easier than that. The next way you can make money is skilled tasks. So if you have a certain skill, such as accounting or marketing or programming or design, etc., you can make money. Usually the jobs are a little bigger and you can make more money than on Fiverr with a site called Upwork.com. So Upwork.com, this was actually something that I started out doing when I was trying to find extra ways to make money while I was working a job. So if we check it out up here, this is Upwork.com, and you see it says hire freelancers, make things happen. Now, to get started with it, you'd go to the How It Works link, and you would click the If You're Freelancing area, and as you see, you can apply as a freelancer to start making money. Now that's what I did. I made thousands of dollars a month through Upwork, doing work for people on Upwork. Specifically, I was managing people's advertising. But you see there's a lot of jobs that you can do up here. These are the major categories: web development, design, writing, administrative support, customer service, accounting, etc. So let's say you wanted to do customer service for a company. You could do all sorts of jobs for people. You could be a customer service representative, technical support specialist, live chat agent, phone support, Zendesk consultant, etc. There's a lot of options really in every category on Upwork. So that's pretty exciting. Lots of ways to make money there. The next way you can make money is online sales, and that's through a website called ClickBank. You can sell products and get paid a commission for every product that you refer a sale to. Now, ClickBank is what I use to make most of my money. I'm an affiliate marketer, and I make hundreds of thousands of dollars a month with ClickBank right here. Now, the way you start is you create an account right there, and then you will go to the marketplace to find a product that you like. So you can just search products, and you'll see they have over 4,500 products that you can promote and get paid a commission for each sale that you refer. So here's a weight loss product called the Flat Belly Fix, and you'll get paid $38.45 just by promoting this. Now, my 6-week training course, the Super Affiliate System, is also available on ClickBank. And if you want to promote that, you can just search my name on ClickBank, and on average, you'll get a pretty good deal of money, $464, and you just click promote. We pay out over 64 people every single week. You see that here in the gravity. So a lot of people are making money by being affiliates for me, or you could just take the course yourself and learn the tactics of how to be an affiliate marketer. We offer the course in multiple languages. The next way to make money online is through buying or selling websites, and that's through a site called Flippa. So here we are on Flippa.com. It's kind of a funny name. I like the name. And you can buy or sell all sorts of businesses. I mean, what's kind of cool is if you want to buy a website that's already making money, you can actually just go on Flippa and find sites that are already profitable. So here's a site called Word On Baby, and let's say you wanted to have a website that was making $8,000 a month, you can buy it. You know, it's $120,000. But again, you can buy a business that's already making money. The other side of the things is you can sell a business if you want. So you can sell businesses on Flippa, or you can even act as a broker, right? You could find other people who are interested in selling their business. You can contact website owners and say, hey, John Crestani, would you be interested in selling one of your websites? I can get you some money for it. I would take a 25% cut if I sold it, I don't have any businesses I want to sell, but that's an example. You can act as a business broker and use Flippa as the place to buy and sell businesses, or you can sell one of your existing things. Now, our second to last method of making money is really cool. It's taking photos. Take the photo. I mean, what a better job than taking photos? And companies like Shutterstock over here will actually pay you to take photos, because that's how these photo companies operate, is they'll pay you to post photos on their websites. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of Shutterstock, you'll see right here, there's a link that says sell content. Now, you can also be an affiliate for the company right here, but this is about taking photos. So you can sell content and click on that link, and you can actually sell them your photos if you're taking original photos. See, it says share your work and start earning money. Get started. So really cool stuff, easy to get paid, and just by taking photos. Now, the last method to make money online is through online advertising, and that's working with CPA networks such as Ads for Dough or Above All Offers. These are CPA affiliate marketing networks where, similar to ClickBank, you can find products that you want to sell and get paid commissions. Well, the difference is you don't even have to sell a product with CPA networks. You just have to get people to take an action. That action could be installing a mobile app, or that action could be taking a survey, or that action could be signing up for a free trial of some skincare product. But you don't actually even have to sell products, and you could get paid just to place ads for them online. It's pretty exciting. So that was a lot of different ways you can make money online, and I hope you got something from that. Now, if there was a particular item that stood out to you, that you thought was particularly useful, please make note of it in the comments below. I'd love to know what you're interested and what sort of things stood out to you. Handmade goods, basic tasks, writing, reading, etc. For me, I was surprised when I found out personally that you could read books and just make money for that. That seemed so cool to me because I love reading books. If you want to learn more about how I make money for a living, it's not YouTube, then you can subscribe to my channel and you will get a free course on what I do, which is affiliate marketing, free video playlist on YouTube, and hit that notification bell so let me know you're alive and you'll get updates of when I put up future videos. Talk to you soon.